Hey, village life, morning routine. Oh, we got some chicks. Ah, donkey waiting for water. And we have got guinea fowls here. I want to cook you. I want to cook you. Yabo. I want to cook you. That's what he's saying.
You have?
Yeah, he wants me to cook him. So these ones, are these ones for the house?
No,
To sell?
to sell.
Wow.
You know, after the Ramadan, we are calling 3. As for me,
After Ramadan, this is 300.
in combos.
Why?
In here,
Uh,
up, down, there, down to the row.
Campender.
Campenda, 250.
Ah.
They say 250,
But if they come here, 200.
200.
Ah.
And if you bring this,
If you bring the bag.
the back.
Okay. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you know the one tombo.
Because plenty people use this in combo.
You know the put the guy.
So all this finished already? All this you have to put in the bag now?
Yeah. After I make it like that one.
Yeah. Business, boy, business.
That one.
Business.
Man, are suffering.
Huh?
They are suffering there.
Yeah. But you're trying.
I don't know this. In our compound there, Bia,
Yeah.
we don't used to do this. When the corridor is here, our brother, our uncle will go and buy some things.
And bring.
The food, yes, the food, and bring them at home. When they say corridor, we go to the combos and buy clothes, shoes, everything, our head.
You know what? But I think that is foolish, you know.
But now, you know, I'm married. They will not do it for me.
But you know, that's what I'm saying. But that's foolish, I think. Because, you know, we take our money and spend our money for all these events instead of investing the money.
Also, look at your leg.
What?
It's very fukla.
Very fukla? Because I'm a fukla man.
You used to
Yeah,
take...
what I want you to left with fungula.
Yeah. I'm a funkler man. What do you want me to do, Yabo? Huh? What do you want me to do?
You go and wash it after you take oil.
I don't use oil.
You don't use oil.
No.
Yes, go and wash it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll wait for you to finish.
I don't know your
When you finish Yabo, you wash it for me.
I have many jobs to do.
This is job number 2.
job number last.
Number last.
Yes, you know, I'm supposed to go to school. Before I went to school, I used to do job.
What
if
job?
I don't finish that, I'm not going to school.
What job?
What's in basic?
And I used to wash my uniform also. I didn't know what is under now.
Ah, but you see the good thing with the sun, you wash your uniform, 1 hour, it's dry.
Yeah. If I wash it 1 hour,
Yeah.
the sun is done. 1 hour.
But you see now in Europe now, you have to put in machine to dry. Yeah.
Yeah, it's African.
You put in the machine, or if it's winter, you put it on your heater. You have a heater, you put it on your heater to dry. Yeah. Because it's very cold.
My baby says he's afraid of you.
Ah, your baby is crazy.
I tell her that go and give Masa the hand. I say no.
Nah, baby is crazy. That's a crazy baby. Ah. I used to do this too, you know.
This?
Yeah.
In Gambia?
No, in the Caribbean.
In Caribbean.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I used to do this.
This is difficult. Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know this.
Yeah, I grew up I'm 4 years old. I went to live with my great-grandmother. I used to do this. Yeah. Everything you do, I used to do. Everything.
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 You used to go to bush?
Yep.
Find firewood.
Yes. Yeah. On Saturdays, on Saturdays we bake. So you have to go early in the morning. You go early in the morning and you get firewood and you come back. You take to the oven so they can bake, because you bake for the entire family. Yeah. Or you go bush, but our bush is different. Our bush is hills, so you go up in the mountain. See that? Yeah, there's no mountain here. You go up in the mountain.
Mountain is there, around summer.
That's not mountain. That's not mountain.
Eh?
You're talking mountain when you look up. When you stay from here and you look up, you say, hey.
Hey.
Yeah, you don't look this way, you look
Master,
this way.
I see one thing in that row. One day I'm going for the naming ceremony in Nyamina.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the bus, sitting down in the bus.
Yeah.
When I look up, I see up step the monkeys are sitting down in the mountain.
Yeah.
I said, what is this now? I put my head on top of the bed.
So in the mountain, I go in the mountain in the morning to get yam, banana, cassava.
There.
Yeah. And you come back, bag like this. Yeah. And the mountain is, you walk. It's far, boy, it's far.
It's far.
Yeah. It's far, it's more far than Buyam to here. Yeah.
Yeah?
So I did everything.
Yeah, you did the job.
But now you are not doing
anything.
I am doing it.
You are not doing anything.
I'm doing it.
You are doing fiesta. Fiesta. You know what is fiesta?
No. What's fiesta?
You are enjoying.
I'm enjoying.
You are enjoying.
No, I'm not enjoying.
Yeah.
I'm working. Yeah.
If you are going to England, you come here, we go.
Oh, you know, your ticket is first, Yabo. Your ticket is first.
Me.
Yeah.
You know, man, what I want?
What
To
do you
look
want?
here, a small place. That's where you will, if you come, you will base there.
I will.
You know, if you go there, if you went again to Europe, you forget us.
No, this is why I say I need to get me a wife here so I can come back here. But I don't have no wife here, so I cannot come back here. No, I will come back. Why do you think I would not come back? I would come back.
But if you have a wife, before you come here,
You see, problem now. I have to go to her village. You know? If my wife is from Father Fenny, I have to go Father Fenny.
yeah, you see.
I have to say, hey, Tintiba. Father Fenny. Yeah. Got flies?
Yeah. These small flies.
Yeah.
Bite people.
Hey, they're dangerous.
Hey.
I don't know which is worse, those flies or mosquito.
They used to remove there from the river and come here to bite people.
Hey, we don't need supervisor. Hello, you don't need supervisor. If you're not coming to do work,
have the morning.
Bye.
Hey, you have to come here and do work.
No.
Nobody needs supervisor. Hey,
you take it.
She need to change her shirt and come back and get a bucket and do like Yabo and get some charcoal. And when you finish, take the charcoal back to the house. Hey.
No. You can go and,
do you see me here as supervisor? Like, what were you saying now?
I said, you can go and sweep.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. This one. Supervisor. You don't need supervisor. Oh, I have a job for you. You see that goat? Catch that goat.
No. I cannot catch this goat.
Catch it.
No, I cannot.
Try.
No, I can't.
No, try.
I can't, my God.
Listen, try.
If I catch the goat, what will you do with it?
Take it to Combo. Try.
No.
No. No, try.
Hey.
Hey, try.
I cannot.
Try. Try.
Go try.
Listen to me.
Go
Stop
try.
the foolishness. Try.
Go try. Let me
Try.
film them.
Hey.
Go try.
Try.
I can't try.
Try.
No.
Go ahead.
Go bring some cashew for me.
Okay, go ahead.
Go.
You go.
You go.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. Look, the cashew tree right there. Just go. Stop the foolishness. That's not going to work. You have to be open. Yeah. This tree just finished have cashew and they have cashew again.
Yeah, it will go 2 times.
Wow. Yabu the hard worker. American rice. What? Rice from Myanmar. Africa is useless. Myanmar rice, South Africa, South American rice. They said American rice. They're right. Product of America. But it's actually South America. Again there. Product of America.
Mansa.
Especially packed. Ha! So what should I say? Nam?
Yes.
Okay.
Mansa.
Nam.
shopkeeper, that shopkeeper, he has passed away.
The young one?
He had an accident yesterday.
The young one?
No, the old man.
Accident where? In the bus?
No. He went to give the parents the food. When coming back,